Hello, hello! Today we're making spiced apple cider. To begin, we're going to take 5 red apples and wash them thoroughly, remove their cores, and cut them into quarters before placing them in a large stock pot. Then we're going to pour in a half a cup of white sugar and a half a tablespoon of ground allspice. Next, we're going to fill it up with enough water to cover the apples by 3 to 4 inches. Boil the apples uncovered for 1 hour and make sure to stir them occasionally so the apples don't burn to the bottom of the pot and everything mixes evenly. Once our hour is up, we're going to reduce the heat down to a simmer and let it hang out in that state for about 2 more hours. Once that's up, we're going to strain out the cider by pouring it through a fine mesh sieve into a bowl or another pot or whatever it'll fit in. Then stir in 2 drops of doTERRA Cassia essential oil. Serve warm or refrigerate and serve chilled. Either way, make sure to store your leftovers in the fridge if you have any. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos every week and you don't want to miss out. I'll see you in the next video, and in the meantime, keep being your awesomely weird selves. Bye!